Hey guys, welcome back to the tenorshare channel. Forgot your iPhone 17e passcode and got completely locked out? Yeah, that's frustrating. But don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple ways to unlock your iPhone 17e without a passcode. Just a quick heads up. Removing the passcode will reset your iPhone, so if you don't have a backup, you might lose your data. Solution 1. Use Forgot Passcode option. If your iPhone shows the Forgot Passcode option on the screen, this is the easiest way to go. Just tap on Forgot Passcode, then tap Start iPhone Reset. Enter your Apple ID password to confirm, and wait for your iPhone to reset. Once it's done, you can set it up again and create a new passcode. Then, restore the data from the backup to return your iPhone to the state it was in before it was locked. Solution 2. Use 4UK. If that option doesn't show up, here's a much simpler alternative. You can use 4UK to remove the passcode in just a few clicks. First, download and install 4UK on your computer. Launch the program and connect your iPhone. Click Start and follow the on-screen instructions. While your iPhone is in recovery mode, click to download the latest firmware package. Once that's ready, click Start to remove and wait a few minutes. Your iPhone will be unlocked automatically. No iTunes, no complicated steps. This is definitely the easiest option for most users. Solution 3. Use iTunes or Finder. You can also use iTunes or Finder, but this method takes a few more steps. First, connect your iPhone to a computer, then put your device into recovery mode. For most models, press and quickly release volume up, then volume down. Then press and hold the side button until recovery mode appears. Once your computer detects the device, choose Restore. Wait for iTunes to download the firmware and restore your device. After your device restarts, you'll need to set it up and complete the activation process by verifying your Apple ID. If you've forgotten your Apple ID, you'll need to recover it at iforgot.apple.com. Solution 4. Use iCloud. If Find My iPhone is turned on, you can erase your device remotely. Go to iCloud.com/find and sign in with your Apple ID. Select your iPhone 17e. Then tap Erase and complete the Apple ID verification. After confirming the erase operation, click Remove to remove the device activation lock, which will facilitate the subsequent setup process. After that, your iPhone will restart without the passcode. Alright, these are the most effective ways to unlock an iPhone 17e without a passcode. If you want something quick, simple, and stress-free, 4UK is definitely worth trying. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.